Hello students, this is our second part of exercise 3b. In the first part I solved up to question 6. Now we move on to 6 to the last part of the chapter 3b. So we are doing integers, children. This is my third video. 3a I had put one video and 3b this is second and last video. And today one very important thing we will learn is, with the help of a number line, how we do addition of integers and subtraction of integers. In my previous video I had told you all that this concept will become very clear if we take the help of a number line. So addition is what here. So rules I told you in my last video, how we add and subtract integers, but here we see how in number line. So the rule number 1, and here I am going to solve question 8 4 part. Question 8 part 1 of 3b, 8 part 5, 8 part 8 and question 8 part 9 here with example. So when I go to the chapter, question 8 I will not be doing. So very first question, children. To add a positive integer, move to the right. So 5 plus 4, as you all know, is 9. So what happens here? We go from 5. This is, we are here. 5 means we are here. Directly you can start from here. So plus means to add a positive, we move towards the right. It becomes more when you add positive. So we reach 9. Once more, to add a positive integer, move to the right. Next, to add a negative integer, we move to the left. So minus 5, we are here. So you could have started here. Some book they start here. You can use any textbook. For this, most of the concept remains same. Okay, so minus 5 we come here. Minus 3 to add a negative because the value will decrease. You know, finally by our previous discussion it will be minus 8. So minus 3 we come here. To add a negative integer, we move to the left. Minus 5 was there. Okay. Or you can take it minus 3 minus 5. What I have done here is actually minus 5 minus 3. So I am going to show you. So you can copy this. This is minus 5 and minus 3. So you pause and copy. I'll show you how I'll do minus 3 and minus 5. Same way you will reach. In the next one, children, we will go first to minus 3. We first come to minus 3, then add minus 5, we move to left. So same place we will land up. But here this is minus 3 and this is minus 5. Like this was 5 and this was 4. So we move to the left. Subtraction. To subtract a positive, we move to the left. So it decreases. So we are in minus 4. We are in minus 4. We move to the left. So here we reach minus 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we reach minus 9. Once more. Minus 4, we subtract a positive integer, we move to the left. So we subtract a positive integer, we move to the left. Subtraction, positive, we move to left. Last one, to subtract a negative integer, we move to right. So we are on 4. We are on 4 and to subtract a negative, move to the right means it is added. Actually minus I told you sign. It becomes plus. So we reach 8. Okay. So to subtract a negative, so subtracting a negative becomes positive. So actually we are adding them. So 2 negative makes it positive. So once more, minus. So we are here 4. So what it subtract a negative, we move to the right. So we add. Moving around means add. Because negative is added. Negative and we subtract. Negative and we subtract. So if you understand from concept of additive inverse, 4 plus, this is what I have taught you, additive inverse concept, plus additive inverse of minus 4, which is 4 plus 4, and this is equal to 8. So 4, this is the real concept in case of when you do without number line, and this is with the number line. When you subtract a minus, we move towards the right. When we subtract a negative integer, we move to right. And this was theoretical, which I did in the earlier part of the exercise. So 4 plus additive inverse of minus 4. So additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. 4 plus 4, we get 8. So pause your video and copy, then I will do other sums. Now we take, after question 8, question 10. What should be added to 15 to get minus 15? So what should be added to 3? Take another example. To get 10. So what we do? 10 minus 3 we do. Okay, what should be added? What should be added to 15 to get minus 15? So what we will do? What should be added to 15 to get minus 15? So what we will do? What we will subtract. See, what should be added to 3 to make it 10? What should be added to 3 to make it so 10 minus 3. So same way this minus this. So what we will get? Minus 15, and minus 15 what we have? We will add in a bracket. It is minus 30. If you see in a number line, what should be added to 15? So 15 is here. This is 0 minus 15. If you add minus 30, so 15 you add minus 30, you will come to minus 15. So this is the concept. What should be added to 15 to get minus 15? So subtract this minus this. As I told you, what should be added to 3 to get 10? 10 minus 3 will get, and this is a number line. We add minus 30 means we come back to minus 15. What should be subtracted from minus 3 to get plus 18? So what should be subtracted from, suppose 12 to get 5. So 12 minus 5. So minus 3 minus plus 18. So what should be subtracted from this to get, what should be subtracted from 12 to give you 5? So 12 minus 5. So what we get? 3 minus 18. Take common. So we get minus 21. So minus 3, if you subtract minus 21, see, verify. Minus 3, if you subtract minus 21, so we used to do verify, children, in our time. What should be subtracted from minus 3 to get plus 18? So see, this minus minus becomes plus, or additive inverse of plus additive inverse of minus 21 is plus 21, we get 18. So that means our answer is right. It will be minus 21 to be subtracted to get plus 18. Same thing you can try in a number line. Sum of two integer is given and one of them is given. So other will be children 23 minus 12. Sum of two integer, like I tell you, sum of two integer is 8. One of them is 3. Other will be 8 minus 3, 5. So this minus this. So what we do? Minus minus this we add. So get minus, we get minus 35. So 1 minus the what is given, you get the other. Okay, so pause the video and copy, and we move on to last 2-3 questions. So now we move to the final 2 questions. This is Amit loses this. So let loss be minus. gain be plus. He loses 3 things and gains twice. So his final gain or loss, so final gain or loss we will see is minus 70, minus 50, minus 35. So first 3 times he loses, last 2 times he gains. You add all the minus, okay, and you add all plus also. So what do we get? If we add 120, 155 plus 140, we get minus 15. Minus means loss. So hence loss of rupees 15. Once more, all the losses you add, gains you add. Then you add them. So finally you see minus. Minus means loss. Last question, a person moved towards, so let us take geography, east, west, north, south. A person moves 100 kilometer towards east. He goes from here towards it. Let it be positive. Towards it. He comes back 130 kilometer towards west. East he goes plus comes back 130 kilometers. So this will be minus. So from here he returns here. Let this be 0. So he goes from here 100 kilometers towards east. Then he comes back 130 kilometers towards west. Then he comes back. Question is, what is his final position? So if you do, children, this is plus 100 minus 130 is minus 30, means he is 30 kilometer towards west. See, from origin 0, you go there 100, come back 130. So from here, he is towards west 30 kilometers. So this is the answer. Here these 2 questions we have used the directive property, the directional property of integers, where we take one as positive, other as negative. One as positive, east as positive, and west as negative. Other question also you can try like this. So thank you boys for watching. Please pause and copy.